Let's say a property that you BRRRR'd appraised for $200,000. So there's three main ways that you're going to make money from this property. One is the cash flow. So let's assume this property cash flows at $300 a month after you pay everything, which is $3,600 a year, which is $36,000 that you'll earn in cash flow in the next 10 years. Number two, the debt for the property is going to get paid down by about $25,000 in the next 10 years. The third way you're going to earn money in this property is through appreciation. Now let's be very conservative and say the property appreciates by 3% each year for the next 10 years. Using 3% as an annual increase, the property value will go up by about $68,000 for this property.
That's amazing.
Now let's be even more conservative and say it doesn't go up by $68,000 in the next 10 years, it goes up by $40,000. Now let's take the $60,000 that you had through cash flow and debt pay down and add the $40,000 in appreciation. You will make $100,000 conservatively in the next 10 years from that one property